Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed, mindlessly swiping and scrolling. Suddenly, a sponsored ad catches your eye. It's for a new payment app called FavePay, promising seamless transactions, cashback rewards, and a whole lot more. Intrigued, you click the link, download the app, and start exploring. But is FavePay all it's cracked up to be? In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of FavePay to find out if it's worth your time and money. What is FavePay? FavePay is a mobile payment app that aims to revolutionize the way we pay for goods and services. It offers a wide range of features, including QR code payments. Scan a QR code at participating merchants to pay for your purchases. Peer-to-peer transfers. Send money to friends and family instantly. Bill payments. Pay your utility bills and other recurring expenses directly from the app. Cashback rewards. Earn cashback on your purchases at selected merchants. In-app games. Play games and earn rewards. Benefits of using FavePay. Convenience. FavePay offers a convenient and hassle-free way to make payments. No more fumbling for cash or cards. Security. The app uses advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Rewards. Earn cashback on your purchases and enjoy other perks and benefits. Accessibility. FavePay is available on both iOS and Android devices, making it easily accessible to a wide range of users. Drawbacks of using FavePay. While FavePay offers many benefits, it's not without its drawbacks. Limited merchant acceptance. FavePay is still a relatively new app, so it may not be accepted at all merchants. Technical issues. Like any app, FavePay may experience technical glitches or outages. Limited customer support. The app's customer support may not be as responsive as you'd like. Is FavePay worth it? The question of whether FavePay is worth it ultimately depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient and secure way to make payments, and you don't mind the potential drawbacks, then FavePay may be a good option for you. However, if you're primarily interested in cashback rewards and you're not comfortable with the idea of using a relatively new app, you may want to consider other options. FavePay is a promising mobile payment app that offers a range of features and benefits. While it may not be perfect, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a convenient and secure way to make payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.